Guys, this is the quickest way to boost the performance of your laptop. Maybe it may be running slow. This is the quickest way to boost its performance. Follow here on the screen. Click on Windows logo and press R. Type msconfig. msconfig is this option here. Then we go to Boot tab, Boot. Go to Advanced Options. Then go to click on Number of Processors. Then select at least the highest number of processors that you have. 8. I select 8 here. Then OK. Then OK. Then apply. Then OK. Then to restart, it will ask you to restart your computer. Then this will make your PC run faster. Follow for more, guys.